Milwaukee 15 millimeter short impact, Milwaukee 15 millimeter deep impact, and they don't make a mid one, so this is the CASOMAN I just bought. So it should make a looks pretty much the same almost. Got the deep imprinting. Came in a little container like this on Amazon. I think I paid about $28 for it. CASOMAN. Here's all the sizes. The case is nice, but I'll probably put them in my socket drawer. But case is nice. I'll probably put them right there where these 1/4-inch sockets are, and put these somewhere else. And then I got the deep impacts in here. I got some mid icons right there. Those are great. They are 12 point though, which I was glad about, because I do I do have 6 points on the deep and the shallow, so it gives me another option. If I need a 12 point for some reason, I have that as well. And they fit on my ratchet basically the same too, so they got a little play in them as impacts would, but it looks very nice. I mean, it doesn't come with a warranty or anything, far as I could tell, but for $28. This is a 10 millimeter icon. It's a little bit